Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuse to check in case horn is not working. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the first thing and the easiest thing to check is the fuse, and then if the fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to make sure that the airbag clock spring is not faulty, as that is the second most common thing that causes horn not to work. And then the next thing is checking the wiring, electrical connections and the horn itself. Horn fuse is located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin next to the passenger's right foot behind this black cover. So first thing, you want to pull the cover towards yourself and remove it. And then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. On top of this cover you have a small fuse diagram. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them and pull the cover towards yourself. And the horn fuse, it's a fuse number 24, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. I hope you can see it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.